number one rule of restoring aircraft is good is never good enough. Try to do it better than the day you have done it before. Try to prove yourself that you can do it much better than before. And sometimes it succeeds. It's not always possible, because we know that our work is quite good. It's a passion of me. It's not only my work. I'm doing this always 7 days a week, from early in the morning to late evening. The main challenge of restoration work is trying to keep the plane as original as possible. We have searching around all the world to find parts. Some of the parts you cannot find. If a spare part is missing, we can 3D scan it and reproduce a part. So, for example, if we have an engine cowling, which means a cowling that fits over the engine, we can use it from an existing aircraft, make a 3D scan from it, and to reproduce it with fiberglass. That is a way what we should be able to do in the future. Precision and quality of our work is one of the main things. Aviation is something special. You have to be correct, you have to be aware about things that can happen and try to do our best that everything works perfect, that there is no any mistake made in the restoration, in the assembly or whatever. So this is a main thing. It's you're creating something. You start from a few parts, build it up, and suddenly you see how it comes in life. On the end, it really comes in life. The engine starts, you get it flying. It's like a kid that has been born and growing up. An aircraft restoring is almost the same. You find problems, you solve these problems, you're creating new things, try to get new things, and yeah, it's amazing.